Ako lang ba or relate kayo? Na parang every hotel check-in, there's an anticipation, excitement, and looking forward sa complimentary breakfast. That's my sister, our first day at Azalea Hotel. Although I know it's already inclusion in the overall hotel package. Hindi siya literal na free breakfast. But there's an excitement in wondering what culinary delights await you in the next morning. Kuya Jay's restaurant serve as an in-home food and beverage concessionaire for the hotel. Sa commercial nila, something to look forward yung halo-halo nila. Pero di ko na try, nakalimutan ko. Fully packed on